Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Coinbase supports Ripple's SEC battle. Files amicus brief. Coinbase has become the latest crypto entity to support Ripple in the legal battle against the SEC. Leading American cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is seeking permission to file an amicus brief, also known as friend of the court, in support of Ripple Labs' ongoing court case with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. According to a court document submitted on October 31, the exchange sought permission from Judge Annalisa Torres of the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York judge to file the petition against the commission. SEC versus Ripple. The genesis: recall that in December 2020, the SEC officially sued Ripple and its executives, Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse, for allegedly conducting unregistered securities sales by selling XRP tokens to U.S. investors without authorization from the commission. The agency argued that Ripple generated $1.3 billion in its initial coin offering, ICO, through the sales of XRP, which the regulator now labels as securities. Following the SEC's action, crypto exchanges in the U.S. began delisting the token on their platforms, causing the token's market value to depreciate by $15 billion. The mass delisting event affected most Coinbase users as the exchange also suspended trading of the asset pending the court's ruling. Coinbase shows support for Ripple. Coinbase has now come out to support the fintech company, noting that Ripple Labs should be allowed to pursue a fair notice defense, where it faces surprise enforcement actions like the case with the SEC. The exchange argues that the securities watchdog failed to provide fair notice before bringing enforcement action against the company. Given the absence of SEC rulemaking for the crypto industry, the question of whether the SEC has given fair notice before bringing an enforcement action against sales of one of the thousands of unique digital assets will often be highly fact-intensive, which makes it particularly ill-suited for adjudication on summary judgment, the court document reads. Coinbase also claims that the SEC has been inconsistent with how it polices the crypto industry, creating uncertainty for companies in the space. In addition, existing SEC registration requirements for national securities exchanges are currently unsuitable to the way digital asset platforms operate. Meanwhile, Coinbase is one of several companies to support Ripple in its ongoing case with the SEC, since the outcome will set a precedent in the crypto industry. On October 28, the American-based crypto advocacy group Blockchain Association filed for a friend of the court petition to stand with Ripple. Stasis integrates euro-backed stablecoin with XRP Ledger. Stasis completed a euro-backed stablecoin integration with XRP Ledger. The integration is aimed at developing cross-border payments. Malta-based startup Stasis completed an integration with XRP Ledger in an effort to expand the settlement layers it uses to facilitate cross-border payments with its euro-backed stablecoin, EURS. XRP Ledger is an open-source blockchain developed by a community and cross-border payment company Ripple. Stasis aims to make cross-border payments cheaper and faster by integrating the blockchain with EURS, as well as improve scalability. Another brick has just been added into the foundation of EURS, and it will solidify our asset for the next cycle of stablecoin market adoption, Stasis CEO Gregory Klumov said in a statement. Our ongoing partnership will focus on exploring the newly emerged opportunities of XRP to enable a better financial inclusion as well as stablecoin infrastructure and services that truly align with the values of the Web3 realm, they continued. More than $5 billion in EURS has been settled on-chain to date, according to a Stasis blog post, with about 66.7 million EURS in circulation, according to its website. EURS or ERC20 tokens, with the majority allocated to the Ethereum mainnet and Layer 2 solutions. A smaller amount is allocated via the Algorand and XRP Ledger blockchains. The stablecoin is fully backed by euros held in our reserve accounts, according to the Malta-based company's website. Ripple first announced that Stasis would issue EURS on XRP Ledger on February 16. Ripple will continue to provide the company with technical support following the integration. Following our initial engagement with Ripple earlier this year that provides developers, institutions and consumers who hold EURS with easy on and off ramps, "We're happy to confirm the finalization of development and willingness to enter the next stage to start integrating strategies for cross-border payments," it stated. XRP lawyer predicts early ruling in Ripple lawsuit. XRP holders' lawyer have suggested that the Ripple lawsuit might end earlier than expected. However, it now completely depends on the judge. The crucial lawsuit between US SEC and Ripple is getting intense as many industry leaders are trying to get involved in court proceedings. People concerned with the Ripple lawsuit are expecting that there might be a delay in the summary judgment rulings. However, XRP holders' lawyer have cleared the air over this matter. Attorney drops positive XRP news. XRP community is expecting that there might be a ruling on the SEC and Ripple's motions for summary judgment by November 18, 2022. Meanwhile, they think that it might take much longer than this. John Deaton, amicus curiae in the Ripple lawsuit, highlights some crucial dates of court proceedings ahead. Deaton mentioned that there will be no ruling by that date. The reply briefs are due on November 15, 2022. This will be submitted under a seal. However, the redacted public versions will be out by November 21. XRP holders' lawyer stated that there is a slight possibility that the SEC can ask for a few extra additional days. The Commission might also add some extra pages in order to reply to all the amici filings. Deaton hoped that if Judge Annalisa Torres handles the Ripple lawsuit consistent with other cases, then there is a chance to see a decision by maybe March 2023. Meanwhile, if Judge Torres decides to review this lawsuit in an expedited fashion, then there is a chance of getting a ruling earlier than that. Defendants gains momentum in the case. However, the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has seen a wave of individuals and firms trying to enter the summary judgment proceedings. The court has even granted permission to several applicants to file amicus briefs. Coinbase reported that Coinbase has asked the court for leave to file amicus briefs in the support of Ripple. However, 4 other firms came ahead to file amicus briefs in the support of Ripple. Coinbase is backing Ripple against the SEC. America's largest crypto exchange is getting more and more vocal with its support for industry peers engaged in legal battles with the SEC. Coinbase is backing yet another crypto firm, adding more pressure from the crypto industry on the SEC. It is almost 2 years since Ripple Labs, the company which develops the Ripple payment protocol, has been fighting the high-profile lawsuit filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The growing army of Ripple backers now looks even stronger after the U.S. largest crypto exchange Coinbase moved to get regulatory approval to help the firm in its battle against the commission. The case revolves around alleged violations for selling its XRP token as an unregistered security. The lawsuit, filed in December 2020 against Ripple Labs, as well as co-founder Christian Larson and CEO Brad Garlinghouse, alleges that the company has raised $1.3 billion in unregistered securities offerings since 2013. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.